Mercedes-Benz, a German luxury brand, is widely recognized for its iconic designs, advanced technology, and high-performance vehicles, establishing a strong reputation for class and craftsmanship in the automotive industry for nearly a century. This reputation for longevity is not merely anecdotal. It is supported by various factors that contribute to their ability to withstand the test of time and mileage. Mercedes-Benz cars are durable due to their precision engineering, use of high-quality materials, stringent manufacturing standards, and a design philosophy that prioritizes longevity and robust performance. This commitment to excellence has been a hallmark of the brand since its inception, leading to vehicles that can reliably achieve high mileage with proper maintenance. Here you have the Mercedes-Benz M-Class, later renamed the GLE Class, a mid-size luxury SUV. This M-Class stands out due to its combination of powerful and efficient engine options, advanced safety and driver assistance systems, a luxurious and comfortable interior, and its capability for both on-road refinement and light off-road use. And over here you have E-Class, a line of executive cars. The E in E-Class originally stood for Einspritzmotor, German for fuel injection engine, before becoming a prefix for the model line in 1993. The E-Class is Mercedes-Benz's best-selling model, with over 13 million units sold by 2015. Mercedes-Benz E-Class offers a compelling combination of luxury, performance, and value, especially when opting for a certified pre-owned CPO vehicle. These vehicles undergo rigorous inspections and come with extended warranty coverage, providing peace of mind to buyers. The E-Class is available in various body styles and trim levels, catering to diverse preferences and budgets. When purchasing a pre-owned E-Class, buyers can explore options through various platforms, including authorized Mercedes-Benz dealerships and online marketplaces. Dealerships often provide flexible financing solutions and trade-in programs. This here is C-Class, a series of compact executive cars introduced in 1993 as a replacement for the Mercedes-Benz 190W201 range, and until 1997, this was the smallest model in the marque's lineup before the W168A class was released. 1. The C-Class has evolved through several generations, with the current W206 generation launched in 2021. When purchasing a pre-owned Mercedes-Benz C-Class, especially a high-performance AMG model, it is highly recommended to consider a certified pre-owned CPO vehicle. CPO vehicles undergo a rigorous inspection process, typically 125-point or 165-plus-point safety checks, ensuring they meet strict quality standards. To qualify for CPO status, a Mercedes-Benz must be less than 6 years old, have fewer than 75,000 miles, and have been serviced according to schedule. Buying a pre-owned Mercedes-Benz can be a worthwhile investment for many individuals seeking luxury, quality, and performance at a more accessible price point. One of the primary advantages of purchasing a pre-owned Mercedes-Benz is the significant cost savings compared to buying a new model. New vehicles, especially luxury cars, experience rapid depreciation as soon as they leave the dealership lot. A new Mercedes-Benz C-Class is estimated to depreciate 52.5% after 5 years, resulting in an average resale value of $23,014. This is slightly higher than the luxury compact car category average, which loses 48.3% of its value over the same period. To some people, it is generally wiser to purchase a Mercedes-Benz C-Class after approximately 5 years due to the significant depreciation luxury cars experience in their early years, coupled with the availability of more reliable model years within that time frame. This allows buyers to acquire a premium vehicle at a considerably lower price point while potentially benefiting from improved reliability in later model years of a given generation. Mercedes-Benz offers a growing lineup of fully electric vehicles under its EQ sub-brand, which stands for Electric Intelligence. Key models available in the pre-owned market include the EQS, EQE, and EQB. The EQS is a luxury sedan comparable in size and opulence to the S-Class, with models like the EQS 584M ATIC offering around 340 miles of EPA range and the single-motor EQS 450 Plus providing approximately 350 miles of EPA range. The EQE is a four-door luxury sedan that blends technology with classic Mercedes-Benz styling, with the EQE 300 offering a range of around 350 miles. Here we have the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a flagship luxury sedan, renowned for its continuous innovation, sophisticated design, and powerful performance. As of 2025, the S-Class continues to set benchmarks in automotive technology and luxury, offering a range of models including the S504 MATIC sedan, S580E4 MATIC sedan, S584 MATIC sedan, and the high-performance Mercedes-AMG S63E performance sedan. The S-Class has maintained its popularity for decades due to its consistent embodiment of luxury, technological innovation, and a reputation for setting automotive benchmarks. It is often referred to as the best car in the world, in terms of its reputational standing, serving as the standard by which other luxury sedans are measured. This enduring appeal is built upon a long history of pioneering features, sophisticated design, and a commitment to comfort and safety. The S-Class has consistently ranked as the world's best-selling luxury sedan due to its luxurious design, advanced technology, and robust performance. Its beauty is a combination of its elegant exterior, meticulously crafted interior, and cutting-edge features that prioritize comfort, safety, and driver engagement. The S-Class features signature details, majestic proportions, and a windswept sportiness that create a modern yet unmistakably S-Class aesthetic. The gleaming Mercedes-Benz star stands proudly above the iconic grille, serving as a beacon of inspiration. The S-Class also delivers forward-thinking performance, with every model featuring turbo and electric boost for over 400 horsepower. The S504 MATIC sedan, for example, boasts a 3.0L inline-six turbo engine with mild hybrid drive and an electric auxiliary compressor, producing 442 horsepower and accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The S584 MATIC sedan, with its 4.0L V8 biturbo engine and mild hybrid drive, delivers 496 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. The plug-in hybrid S580E combines a turbo gas engine with an electric motor for a total of 503 horsepower, offering up to 47 miles of electric range. Anybody remembers this? I want to say this is Mercedes-Benz 280 SE or thereabouts. The 280 SE sedan, while a classic, is generally not considered highly valuable in the collector car market compared to its coupe and convertible counterparts, particularly the V8-powered 3.5 models. Its enduring appeal lies more in its robust engineering, elegant design, and comfortable driving experience rather than significant monetary appreciation. But this is how I imagine your S-Class will age. Alright folks, buckle up, we're getting into some very hot stuff here. This here is the Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe and Roadster, a part of the Mercedes-AMG GT series, which has seen two generations of development. The first generation of the Mercedes-AMG GT was introduced in 2014. Its exterior design maintained similarities to the SLS-AMG, featuring wide wheel arches, low bodywork, and a fastback roofline, but it utilized conventional forward-opening doors instead of the SLS's iconic gullwing doors. Initially, the first generation was offered in two variants, the GT and the GTS. The GT produced 340 kW 462 PS, 456 horsepower and 600 Nm 443 pound-feet of torque, while the GTS delivered 375 kW 510 PS, 503 horsepower and 650 Nm 479 pound-feet of torque. Both were powered by a 4.0-litre M178 twin-turbocharged V8 engine, featuring a hot inside V configuration to reduce turbo lag and dry sump lubrication. People choose to buy a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Coupe or Roadster for a combination of exhilarating performance, luxurious comfort, distinctive styling, and a reputation for reliability within the high-performance vehicle segment. The core appeal of the Mercedes-AMG GT lies in its performance capabilities. Both the Coupe and Roadster variants are powered by a handcrafted AMG 4.0-litre V8 biturbo engine, paired with a 7-speed AMG SpeedShift dual-clutch transmission. The Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, while a high-performance luxury sports car, generally follows a depreciation curve similar to most AMG models, meaning it is unlikely to significantly appreciate in value like some rare collector cars such as the SLR or SLS AMG, but it's a beautiful car to own. And then over here we have AMG SL43, a technically innovative entry-level model in the AMG SL Roadster lineup, developed entirely by Mercedes-AMG in Affalterbach, Germany. It reintroduces a 4-cylinder engine to the SL class for the first time since the 1960s, featuring an advanced electric exhaust gas turbocharger derived directly from Formula One trademark technology. AMG SL43 is equipped with a handcrafted AMG 2.0-litre inline-4 turbo engine with hybrid assist, producing 416 horsepower at 6,750 rpm and 369 pound-feet of torque between 3,000 to 5,000 rpm. Over here we have my favorite, AMG GT63 SE Performance. This model is a significant evolution of the AMG GT line, emphasizing both raw power and advanced hybrid technology derived from Formula One. This car is Mercedes-AMG's most powerful series production model to date. It features a P3 hybrid powertrain, which consists of a handcrafted AMG 4.0 LV 8-bit turbo engine at the front and a permanently synchronous electric motor at the rear axle. This setup delivers a combined system output of 805 horsepower, 831 HP in the 4-door coupe variant and 1,047 pound-feet of torque, 1,032 pound-feet in the 4-door coupe variant. Thank you for watching and please stick around for more.